Hello, my name is Rashonda May, and I'm currently pursuing a master's degree in school counseling with an anticipated graduation date of September 2014 with Capella University. Within this fieldwork video, I will explain my growth and development in the counseling profession, why I entered the field of school counseling. I chose to enter the field of school counseling after teaching for 4 years in the classroom. Working with students every day, I learned that academic was just a small portion of the services that these children were in need of. So I decided, in what field can I do more to help children accomplish their goals and to attend to their needs academically, personally, and socially, and career-wise. And that led me to the field of school counseling. One of my first courses in Capella was human development. In taking that course, I learned the various stages of development from childbirth to senior years. I learned the difference in the cognitive, social, physical, and behavior development of individuals. But most importantly, what stuck with me was learning about observation learning, realizing that many of the students that I had worked with, their behavior was a result of observations that have taken place throughout their childhood. So the behavior that they displayed was primarily learned behavior. That course really provided some insight into the things that I'll be working with. However, my first school counseling course, Introduction to School Counseling, really opened up my eyes to the role of the school counselor. I learned that it was not just about academics and careers, it was also about making sure that I attend to the social and personal needs of students as well. This led to my development of a presentation called the School Counselor Roles, in which I discussed the different roles and responsibilities of school counselor to students, school personnel, community, and also parents. Having collaboration with key stakeholders makes a successful school counseling program. It was also in this course where I was introduced to the ASCA model, learning my responsibility in developing a comprehensive counseling program that tend to the needs of a variety of students. Once I attended track 1, I initially focused on solution focused therapy. And the reason I focus on solution focused therapy is because being a teacher, my focus was always on solving the problems. However, as I made the transition to a counselor, I had to learn how to figure out ways in which I can let students find solutions to their problems. And then also in track 1, I had the ability to actually practice clinical skills and learned how to work with a variety of individuals. And in working with these individuals, I learned that I had to be aware of my worldviews and also learn about the worldviews of others. This also helped my growth into understanding how individuals function and understanding individuals' uniqueness that they bring to each and every counseling session. However, in order to fully put things together, I had to also learn how to apply all the things that I have learned thus far into working with individuals. Within this program, Courses like assessment taught me how to do a needs assessment of a school and determine an effective counseling program to implement off of the needs of the students. Research courses taught me how to research different practices and strategies that prove to be effective to solve problems that individuals might have. Courses like group counseling helped me to display and learn how to use group counseling skills. And especially, this was demonstrated in my Track 2 residency, in which I had the opportunity to lead a group. That experience helped me to grow as a counselor because I knew that I was able to run a group effectively so that students can learn from one another and act more as a facilitator as opposed to dictating things within a group. Other courses, contemporary issues in school counseling, in which students and myself went over a variety of information that covered different situations, crisis situations, substance abuse, homeless children, and other issues that students might face. It was in this course that we put together a lot of the information that was learned during the first year of the program. It was here where we had to develop presentations to present to individuals within the school so that they can know how to better serve the student population. In addition, other courses helped me learn how to create guidance lessons based on the ASCA model and also based on a needs assessment determining what students actually need guidance lessons for within the school. Additional courses helped me continue to grow, especially the theory course. It allowed me to be exposed to a variety of theory and also to pinpoint my theoretical framework. Now, I can honestly say that I am more comfortable with the person-centered theoretical approach. I honestly do believe that each person has the ability to reach their highest potential. However, utilizing person-centered, I will be focusing on the student as a person, helping them to explore themselves and learn about themselves as opposed to focusing on issues like they might have. Learning how to grow and continue to develop and to create plans so that they can live a very successful life. And so that they can also realize that reaching their highest potential also requires them to constantly examine and re-examine the things that may occur throughout their lifespan, but not losing focus of their main goal. My goal within this counseling profession is to continue to grow as a professional, not just take my knowledge that I have learned in this program and stand still and counsel students. However, but to be an active member in a variety of organizations, to attend conferences, workshops, view webinars, and actually present at some of these conferences and workshops so that I can go in the counseling profession and that I can continue to contribute to the counseling profession. As my goal is to not just stop here as a school counselor, but to continue to grow in the counseling profession and help individuals inside and outside the school environment. I thank you for watching my video. Again, my name is Rashonda May, and I'm pursuing a master's in school counseling with the anticipated graduation date in September 2014. Thank you.